Hi, I'm Felice Frankel. I'm a photographer and an instructor here at MIT. I've spent the last 25 years photographing science and engineering, publishing images in places like Nature, American Scientist, Scientific American, National Geographic, and more. I am passionate about science communication. It is more important than ever for science to be heard and seen. So look at these photographs. They're all images of research, microfluidic devices, petri dishes, and a host of other images from science and engineering labs. While they may look beautiful, the more important point is that they are highly informative. They are sharp, they are clear, they are effective communicators. These are all images that I made using very simple techniques. And you can learn these techniques too in my new book, Picturing Science and Engineering.